How do you see your children living the life ahead of them? The answer lies somewhere in the anxiety you felt when they took the fragile first steps, in the panic you felt the first time that he got hurt, in the nervous feeling when you see him pushing harder for success. The fact is, despite the fear of accidents and injuries, you want your children to be walking tall, trying harder than before, living a life of quality that is fearless and secure. Did you know the current average life expectancy of a human being has increased to 65 years from 60 years over the last decade? A statistical data in medical research shows that the average life expectancy in India is increasing by 5 years every decade. By this logic, the average life expectancy of a child who is 10 years now will be 85 years by the time we reach 2050. The question is, with the current phenomena of increasing lifestyle diseases, will that long life be one of quality? What can you do to ensure their quality of life in the future?
I'll send them to health clubs.
Proper lifestyle.
Maybe vaccination.
A healthy and a proper diet is the best measure.
Physical activity.
Yoga.
Health food is a must.
I did umbilical cord blood banking to preserve stem cells for additional security of my kids.
So what are stem cells and what is stem cell banking?
Simply put, stem cells are those master cells of the body that can be transformed into any other cells in our body. Stem cell banking is a process of preserving these stem cells at a temperature far below freezing point, a process called cryopreservation.
Using stem cell banking, your children's stem cells can be banked and be available for use during their entire lifespan as and when need arises. However, in this method of stem cell extraction, the timing and the awareness of the parents as well as individual is very critical and important.
Do you feel you have missed the opportunity to bank stem cells? Has your child missed the bus too?
I was kind of upset when I knew I could not get it done for my elder 6-year-old. It was a miserable feeling.
You can still avail the benefits of stem cells by banking the stem cells of yourself and your child's dental stem cells.
Dental stem cells are undifferentiated mesenchymal cells of pure mother cells which has the potential to transform and regenerate into important cell types like bone, cartilage, muscle and neural cells and fat cells. That is why they are immensely useful in repairing or regenerating these important vital organs in case of damage or injury.
Dental stem cell banking is a way for children and adults to catch the bus at a time of their convenience. The first commercial use of dental stem cell extraction was done by France-based Institut Clinident, and the credit for bringing this technology from France to the entire of Asia goes to StemAid Biotech.
We believe that the stem cell is going to be a predominant therapy in healthcare, and the whole idea was to ensure that this ecosystem is created within Indian market and the benefit of the new technologies that are there in the world are actually given to Indian masses and taken advantage of. 1.2 billion population, the youngest population in the world, probably would require the best of the world's healthcare therapies. StemAid's vision is to be your companion towards a healthy tomorrow.
There are many uses that are possible in future, and many researches are being made to look at diseases like Alzheimer, Parkinson's, like cardiac, like cartilage related problems. Stem cells are related directly to diseases many times, but also cosmetic applications like growing hair or growing skin or changing the cosmetic nature of the skin are very, very important. But the way we look at it is that it's going to improve the quality of life, whether it is diseases as well as lifestyle related applications. Our children will benefit from this if they're able to bank and store their stem cells today and use them tomorrow. For dental stem cells, this opportunity comes for the children between the age group of 6 and 10. Stem cells are most vital in this age group and hence they should be banked at that particular time. Having said that, adults have not been ruled out of dental stem cell banking because many times we do take out a healthy tooth, either in the form of a wisdom tooth or any orthodontic extraction. If that is happening and the tooth is healthy, we can benefit from dental stem cells banking. The right person for collection is a dentist. We have tied up and partnered with many dentists in every city that we have operations in. We have set these clinics called STEMAID Smile Clinics, where the tooth collection is performed, and then that tooth is packed in our kits that are available at the clinics and sent to our laboratory for processing and cryopreservation.
STEMAID Biotech is the pioneer in dental stem cell extraction and banking in India. With its trademark Smile Clinics established across the major cities of India, STEMAID is the first private dental stem cell bank and undoubtedly the one with the most cutting-edge technology and processes.
The STEMAID's process is structured around two most important aspects, the individual and the tooth. We want to ensure that each individual has easy access. We also want to make the tooth collection procedure comfortable as well as painless. The specimen should be transported and stored in the latest state-of-art advanced storage facility.
Let us look at how STEMAID makes it happen. Once you take the smart call of going for dental stem cell banking, you begin with signing up with STEMAID. You are then referred to a Smile Clinic in your vicinity. The expert dentist in the clinic then examines your tooth and approves them for the procedure. Once approved, your dental stem cell specimen is collected and transferred to the state-of-the-art Chennai facility. Within the next 30 days, you receive the certificate from STEMAID.
A critical part for the success of this entire process is the storage standard maintained by us. STEMAID maintains one of its kind state-of-the-art laboratory in Chennai. The lab has ISO certification and is an American Association of Blood Bank (GMP) and US FDA approved stem cell bank. Your stem cells are isolated in an ultra-clean environment. The stem cells are stored at a temperature of -156 degrees centigrade continuously for the lifetime of an individual.
Dental stem cell banking is an amazingly simple process. One can take an appointment with our Smile Clinics at a decided date and time and walk out with a prescription of an ice cream within minutes.
As a pediatric dentist and a researcher, I am thrilled to be associated with STEMAID. It is a pleasure to play part in an idea which has the potential to shape the future.
I really thank STEMAID for bringing this wonderful opportunity to India. I can still remember when we walked out of STEMAID clinic. As a mother, I felt I just did the right thing. I don't know if there is a word to describe that feeling. Fearless maybe,